Bill and Ben are tank engine twins. Each has 4 wheels, a tiny chimney and dome, and a small squat cab. Their trucks are filled with china clay. It is needed for pottery, paper, paint, and many other things. The twins are now kept busy pulling the trucks for engines on the main line and for ships in the harbor. One morning, they arranged some trucks and went away for more. They returned to find them all gone. The twins were most surprised. Their drivers examined a patch of oil. "That's a diesel," they said. "It's a wattle?" asked Bill. "A diesel, I think," replied Ben. "There's a notice about them in our shed. Coughs and sneezels spread diseases. You had a cough in your smoke box yesterday. It's your fault the diesel came." "It isn't, it is." "Stop arguing, you two," laughed their drivers. "Let's go and rescue our trucks." Bill and Ben were horrified. "But the diesel will magic us away like the trucks." "He won't magic us," replied their drivers. "We'll more likely magic him." "Listen, he doesn't know you're twins. So we'll take away your names and numbers, and then this is what we'll do." Puffing hard, the twins set off on their journey to find the diesel. They were looking forward to playing tricks on him. Creeping into the yard, they found the diesel on a siding with the missing trucks. Ben hid behind, but Bill went boldly alongside. The diesel looked up. "Do you mind?" "Yes," said Bill, "I do. I want my trucks, please." "These are mine," said the diesel. "Go away." Bill pretended to be frightened. "You're a big bully," he whimpered. "You'll be sorry." He ran back and hid behind the trucks on the other side. Ben now came forward. "Truck stealer!" hissed Ben. He ran away too. Bill took his place. This went on till the diesel's eyes nearly popped out. "Stop! You're making me giddy!" The 2 engines gazed at him. "Are there 2 of you?" "Yes, we're twins." "I might have known it." Just then, Edward bustled up. "Bill and Ben, why are you playing here?" "We're not playing," protested Bill. "We're rescuing our trucks," squeaked Ben. "Even you don't take our trucks without asking, but this diesel did." "There's no cause to be rude," said Edward severely. "This engine is a Metropolitan Vickers diesel electric Type 2. The twins were abashed. "We're sorry, Mr. Never mind," the diesel smiled. "Call me Boco. I'm sorry I didn't understand about the trucks." "That's all right then," said Edward. "Now off you go, Bill and Ben. Fetch Boco's trucks, then you can take this lot." "There's no real harm in them," he said to Boco, "but they're maddening at times." Boco chuckled. "Maddening," he said, "is the word."